We're gonna start our painting project with medium-sized brush and red paint. First, we'll create an outline of our spaceship by creating 4 lines. 2 lines on both sides will be slightly longer, and 2 in front and in the back will be shorter lines. Next, we'll add a triangle to more narrow side of the rocket. Next, we'll extend the opposite side by creating 2 straight lines and connect them to the front part of the rocket. Now we'll use same medium-sized brush and light blue paint to create a small circle in the middle. Next, we'll use same brush and same color to create an arch in the corner of our artwork. This will be the planet. After cleaning brush, we'll use yellow paint to create a bigger arch in the opposite corner, and this will be sun. First, we'll create an outline and then we'll paint it in. After cleaning your brush, we're gonna use the same medium-sized brush to outline part of the spaceship and planet either with dark blue or dark purple. Since I used dark purple for the other side, I'm gonna use dark blue for this side. I'm gonna outline the other half of the spaceship, and I'm gonna outline sun with dark blue paint and medium-sized brush. Next, I'll switch to a large brush and I'll paint part of the background with dark blue and part of the background with dark purple, and I'm gonna try to mix and overlap those 2 colors. I'm gonna use medium-sized brush and light blue paint to add second layer to the window on spaceship. After cleaning my brush, I'm gonna use dark brown paint and create small brush strokes in some areas of the planet. After wiping my brush, I'm gonna add couple green brush strokes in the same area. After cleaning my brush, I'm gonna use red paint to add couple brush strokes in the corner of the artwork on top of yellow. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow closer to the sides to make it look more blended. Next, I'll add small light blue square on the back side of the spaceship. Using light gray paint, I'm gonna create a circle, and that will be a moon next to planet Earth. Then I'm gonna use a little bit of black paint to create some texture on the moon. I'm gonna use light purple to create another planet, and you can use any color you want instead of purple here. Now I'm gonna use thin side of the medium-sized brush and white paint to create a thin line crossing over the planet. After cleaning my brush, I'm gonna use yellow paint to create couple yellow brush strokes from this part of the rocket. After wiping my brush, I'm gonna use a little bit of red paint to add more red brush strokes on top. Next, I'm gonna grab small brush and I'm gonna use red paint to outline the window. I'm gonna wipe my brush and use the tip of the small brush to create small stars all over the background. Now I'm gonna add even smaller stars, which will be just small yellow dots. Our final step will be to create couple highlights using small brush and white paint.